What's happening on YouTube? They're Mulo Sketches. So what we're going to be doing today is learning how to draw a hand. Simple things you can apply using shapes to help you be able to draw it if you're a beginner. So we're going to start by drawing a box. Okay, nothing crazy. Now I want you to take a look at the box. Okay, so we'll have 4 little corners here. We're going to start at this corner, so the bottom left. Draw a line across just like that and connect to the middle. Well, not really the middle, but you get the gist. So we'll apply a rectangle there and another rectangle inside the box at the top right, just like so. And from here we're going to draw another line, just like so. Now we're going to draw 2 straight lines, and from here on out we'll apply a couple of rectangles. From here on out we'll also apply a couple more on the top of these 4. And now we'll do semicircles on every one of them. Okay, so okay. So from here on out we're gonna do our trace. Okay. So you're gonna apply more pressure to your pencil and just draw around what we basically outlined it. Well, this is something simple you can do yourself as well. If you pause the video, you can follow along. Obviously, this is not to make you an expert, but just for you to have the basics on how to draw simple things. Okay. And I didn't come here to create a masterpiece as well. I created something for you to at least know how to break up an image into shapes, so that's easy for you to draw. Okay. So something simple like this can help you, be able to draw anything. So the next step now is to erase a couple of my guidelines from the box and the rectangles I created. So we're just gonna erase a bunch of parts, okay, that we don't need. And create some sort of shading afterwards. Okay, so there could be a couple of parts I can fix, make it look better. And from here on out I can just sort of make it look a bit better. Right? This is something simple that anybody can do. Obviously, the more you do it, the better you get. But things in that nature will help you make images look more realistic. Okay. So this is just simple, something you can do anywhere, but the more practice, the better you get. So obviously, if my life depended on it, I would draw better than this. But this is something simple for you to apply. Right? And this was meant to be just a short tutorial for anyone to be able to apply. You see some of my fingers are very fat, but again, this is just for you to be able to break up a picture in pieces so that you can draw anything. Okay. Okay. If you want to draw a picture, make sure to break the picture up in pieces so that it's more simple for you to apply. If you like videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what things you want me to teach you. I can do the basics as of now, but as I get better myself, I can help you in other ways. Like always, get better every day, optimize yourself. I'll see you next video. God bless.